Planning a long trip with the kids or want to keep the car tidy for the daily commute? Why not get something really smart and spruce up the car with a range of exciting products at Supercheap Auto? With a car full of kids, keeping the carpets looking fresh is a mission in itself. A set of good quality floor mats from our extensive range ought to help out. With carpet or rubber mats available in a range of sizes and patterns, you're bound to find a set that suits your style. While you're thinking floor mats, a boot mat is a great addition to the cargo area, keeping the upholstery free of stains from dirty sports gear or the family dog. Our seat cover collection contains a range of styles in universal fit or a tailored fit straight off the shelf for select vehicles. Match these up with a set of seatbelt buddies, a dash mat, sunshades and a steering wheel cover, or a complete comfort and protection package. You'll find plenty of innovative products online and in-store to keep the vehicle organised. Up the front, a huge variety of phone and drink holders will keep the coffee in her mug and her smartphone safe and hands-free. The middle row will always look neat too, with bottles, dummies and toys all stowed neatly in a back seat organiser or scuff protector. And just because it's a cargo area doesn't mean the back of her car has to be a mess either. A cargo net or cabin crew boot organiser will take care of that. Most important of all is the safety of your most precious cargo. Supercheap Auto carry a full range of child seats and boosters, anchor straps and extensions, seatbelt buddies, neck cushions, baby view mirrors and more. Even the family pet is catered for with the SCA and Pets on Tour range, offering everything you need to secure a dog and protect the vehicle and its occupants. Finally, there's the items that every vehicle should have. Items such as fire extinguishers and blankets, emergency tools for cutting seatbelts and breaking glass, and an extensive selection of first aid kits will keep you and the family safe in all situations. To finish off, why not book in for a professional fitment at your local Supercheap Auto store? We can fit front seat covers, dash mats, steering wheel covers, window shades, and much, much more. Make every commute easy and stress-free and get your car sorted in style with Supercheap Auto.